Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Image segmentation is a crucial task in computer vision that involves dividing an image into different regions or segments. Evaluating the performance of image segmentation models is essential, and one commonly used metric is the confusion matrix. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to create and interpret a confusion matrix for image segmentation in Python, using popular libraries such as NumPy and scikit-learn. Make sure you have the following Python libraries installed. You can install them using. A confusion matrix is a table used to evaluate the performance of a classification algorithm. In the context of image segmentation, it helps us understand how well our model is classifying pixels into different categories. The matrix has 4 components. Let's create a simple example using a hypothetical image segmentation scenario. We'll generate some random ground truth and predicted masks for demonstration purposes. The confusion matrix heat map visually represents the performance of our segmentation model. You can interpret the results as follows. The confusion matrix is a valuable tool for evaluating the performance of image segmentation models. It provides insights into the model's ability to correctly classify pixels into different categories. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of creating and interpreting a confusion matrix in Python. You can apply similar concepts to your real-world image segmentation scenarios for performance evaluation. ChatGPT.